This is actually not a real wooden war club, obviously. This is a war club made out from yoga mat. So it's soft. A little bit of prop movie magic for you. Bula siya. Naidango tumeli tungota. Oya mai ngaso va the androve. Au vasui haapai tonga. And I am an indigenous Itauke filmmaker from Fiji. In 2019, I created my first animated short film, You the Choice of My Parents, which has screened in a few film festivals around the world. In 2021, I put together a crew, all Fijian, and together we created the next animated short film, Soli Bula. We successfully raised a Kickstarter fund of just over 15,000 Fijian to pay everyone involved in the production, and in December 2021, completed Soli Bula. Soli Bula had a successful film festival circuit, including the largest indigenous film festival in the world, the Imaginative Film Festival, as well as the largest film festival in the Southern Hemisphere, the Maoriland Film Festival. It also screened at the 27th Red Nation International Film Festival and American Indian and Indigenous Festival in the US. I'd like to introduce my next short film project, Daunitukutuku. Daunitukutuku takes place in 1800s Fiji, where old traditions and old ways still hold sway, including warfare. When her home is about to come under attack from invading forces, a young woman, Kaliti, must take a message and seek help from the neighboring village. She will brave the jungle and fight both nature and man to save her people from impending doom. With this short film, I aim to showcase Fijian culture front and center on the big screen by featuring bures, the Fijian jungle, costumes, and most importantly, combat. With a production this cool, it's only right that I put together a production cast and crew to help make this movie a reality. What's especially cool is that I'm pretty happy to announce that the Daunitukutuku production has collaborated with the Pacific's most globally toured performing arts company, Vo Dance Group, to bring on board some of their talent to help with production and enable them to learn and access new production skills along the way. But in order to make this happen, it's going to take a lot more than just cool to get this film made, which is why we need your help. Daunitukutuku is looking to raise 16,000 Fijian dollars for the production of this film. The budget will go into paying for production expenses such as cast and crew, paying for transport, food, location, travel, and costumes, and even cool movie props like this. The production timeline for this is approximately 3 months. Because this is a Kickstarter, there are a lot of Kickstarter rewards, from a watchable link to the film online, to having your name in the credits, to a digital production booklet that shows you all the behind-the-scenes photos and concept art that went into the design of the film. Feel free to browse the rewards on the Kickstarter page and choose the one that you like the best. Help us make this happen by contributing to our Kickstarter. And if you're in Fiji, there are some local donation options including M-Paisa, MyCash, and local bank transfer options. Check out the poster below. And if you can't contribute financially, that's okay. Please share this with your friends and family in your IRL circles or even on your social media, because sharing is just as good. And with that, thank you and Vina Ava Alevo.